thinking, okay, this is not what I want to do, and then you just suddenly started recruiting for consulting, or how did it work? You started networking heavily. I mean, back then, I don't think LinkedIn was a big thing, or wasn't.
And no, it was.
Yeah. So how did you get into Accenture?
I think it was just my final year in graduate school, and I started calling around to alumni. And there was one guy that we hit it off over a phone call, and then eventually sit down a couple of meetings over coffee. And he was working at Accenture at the time, and he pulled me into the recruiting process.
Got it. So it's just good old fashioned dialing. And how many
Dialing
alums?
for dollars.
Yeah, how many alums did you have to talk with before that one kind of came through?
Oh gosh, I lost count. I mean, maybe
30,
50 or so.
50? Okay,
At
a
very
lot.
least.
And so you were doing a lot of phone calls. Did you have a lot of like informational meetings? Was this the first person you actually met for coffee and stuff like that, or were there others?
Oh no, there were tons prior to that. And a lot of, I don't know if I can help you, a lot of maybes, and your job in that role is to turn those maybes into yeses. And that's the goal.
And so were there other ones that were going well or had kind of progressed, or was this the main lead for yourself? Like, did you end up with the one offer from Accenture and immediately take it, or were there other potential options for you?
No, I was running out of time. This was the one offer, and I had to take it. And it ended up being a great offer. It took me to where I needed to go, which was New York.